What you're about to witness will redefine everything you know about creation. A hidden power, buried deep within the earth, is about to be unleashed. By one woman with nothing but her bare hands and an unbreakable will. Using the simplest materials, she is about to build an entire world. Stay with us as an astonishing transformation begins to unfold. The first foundation is laid, a single line against the raw earth. Each brick is placed with meticulous care, a promise of what's to come. This is a language spoken not in words, but in stone and mortar. A dialogue between the creator and her canvas. With unwavering focus, she envisions the path ahead. Meanwhile, nature waits patiently, ready to embrace the new creation. The wall begins to rise, a testament to her quiet strength. This is more than a staircase, it's an ascent. A pathway being carved into the landscape itself. The rhythm of her work is steady, tireless, and purposeful. Every single piece plays a crucial role in the grand design. The structure grows, level by level, reaching for the sky. Even the smallest details are handled with profound precision. For the first time, a hint of the exhaustion behind the effort. But her determination remains unbroken, her vision clear. The emerging staircase seems to have always belonged here. A seamless blend of human craft and natural beauty. Her movements are a dance of creation, each step fluid and certain. The raw materials are brought forth, ready to be transformed. The slow, deliberate process continues. Here, we witness the heart of the craft, where intention meets form. The structure expands, claiming its place in the landscape. This is a meditation in motion, a focus that shuts out the world. The artistry is undeniable, turning simple bricks into something more. The path is nearly complete, a triumph of patience. Now, a new element is introduced. Life is woven directly into the stonework, a truly living structure. But the work is far from over. A new vision takes hold. The earth is prepared once more, the foundation for a new dream. The sheer physical strength required is immense. A new wall begins to rise, this one with a different purpose. Each project builds upon the last part of a larger, unfolding story. The familiar rhythm returns, a pattern of focused creation. With each passing moment, the vision becomes clearer, more tangible. The staircase is now a permanent, beautiful feature of the hillside. The final bricks are laid, completing a monumental task. And so, one chapter closes as another is about to begin. A new design emerges, one of breathtaking complexity. An intricate technique is unveiled, demanding absolute precision. The wall is not a barrier, but a screen of woven brick. An artistic feat that transforms a simple wall into a sculpture. The weight of the work is evident, yet she perseveres. From behind, the pattern's true beauty is revealed. She ensures every line is perfect, every angle precise. It is a slow, painstaking process. The stunning lattice wall continues to grow. It begins to embrace the small home, creating a sanctuary. A harmonious blend of rustic charm and sophisticated design. The light filters through the gaps, creating a play of shadows. The final section is put into place, a moment of quiet triumph. The finished wall stands as a masterpiece of design and dedication. A moment of reflection, admiring the work of her hands. The incredible detail speaks of countless hours of labor. It has completely transformed the space. Finally, a well-deserved rest. Her creation stands proudly against the breathtaking landscape. Even the smallest details reflect a sense of personal style. She walks alongside her creation, a guardian of the sanctuary she built. A quiet moment to recharge before the next phase begins. The work is never truly done. The earth calls to be shaped once more. She prepares the very soil, mixing it with cement, creating a unique, sustainable building material. Another wall rises, grounding the space further. The process is methodical, honed by experience. Her focus is absolute, her hands steady. She uses simple string to ensure a perfect, unwavering line. The labor is constant, moving materials to where they are needed. The growing structure beautifully complements the small wooden home. A powerful display of perseverance. She moves to a new section, expanding the perimeter. Day after day, the work continues under the open sky. The skill and artistry are evident in every single brick. This is a testament to what one person can achieve. The final walls are erected, enclosing the private garden. Her energy seems boundless, her spirit untiring. The last bricks are laid to complete the outer boundary. And with that, the entire compound is defined. Now, the focus turns inward. The ground itself will become a canvas. She begins laying the foundations for her most intricate work yet. The walls she built now form the frame for a masterpiece. Slowly, the sanctuary takes shape around the small, rustic home. Even the most challenging tasks are met with precision. Cutting each brick to fit the elaborate design ahead. The painstaking process of paving begins. A breathtaking view from above reveals the scale of her ambition. The outer border of the design is carefully laid. Measurements are checked and rechecked. There is no room for error. And now, the secret of the design is sketched onto the earth. A layer of clay is spread, the base for the mosaic to come. The pattern begins to emerge from the center like a blooming flower. This is sacred geometry, written in brick and stone. The full scope of her artistic vision is revealed. The lotus flower design grows, petal by petal. An incredible display of patience and artistry. The mandala is complete, a stunning centerpiece for her home. The final piece is placed, locking the entire design together. The process of cleaning and refining begins. Now, the space between the bricks will be brought to life. A layer of white mortar is expertly smoothed into the gaps. It's carefully hydrated, preparing it for the next step. Thousands of tiny pebbles are poured into place, each one meticulously set by hand. The contrast between the red brick and white stone is striking. Darker stones are added, creating depth and shadow in the design. The final details are filled in, perfecting the stunning mosaic. An outer border is added, framing the masterpiece. The heavy work is done. Now begins the final polishing. Excess stones are gently swept away. The surrounding area is cleared and tidied. Each brick is brushed clean, revealing its true color. The finished work is a breathtaking piece of art. A final wash brings out the vibrancy of the colors. A permanent, beautiful, and deeply personal mark upon the land. The tools are put away, the great project concluded. But for a true creator, the work is never over. A new area is marked, a new vision ready to be born. And so, the familiar process begins once more. The courtyard she created now serves as her workshop. She gathers broken pieces, ready to give them new purpose. Each fragment is carefully shaped and prepared. She moves the materials for her next piece of art. Her lattice wall provides the perfect backdrop for her work. From shattered pieces, a new form will be created. The familiar dance of mortar and brick. This time, the pattern is different, unique. Another wall rises, extending her sanctuary. Her land is a patchwork of beauty, stitched together by her own hands. The precision remains a signature of her craft. The wall is built, but something else is planned for the ground. A perfect circle is drawn in the earth. The circle is filled, a foundation for a celestial design. From the center, a star begins to form. A beautiful contrast to the floral pattern nearby. The star expands, its points reaching for the edge of the circle. Layer by layer, the design is filled in. An emblem of her guiding vision. The last pieces are set, completing the star. The ground beneath her feet has become a gallery of her art. She smooths the earth, preparing the final canvas. Her kingdom of stone and earth continues to expand. A path is laid, connecting the different elements of her garden. It leads towards the steps of the home, unifying the space. The work is always grounded, always connected to the earth. A panoramic view reveals the scale of this handcrafted world. Pebbles are once again used to add texture and detail. She works tirelessly to complete the final pathways. The entire space is a testament to her vision. A harmonious blend of artistry and labor. The transformation is almost complete. A sanctuary built from the ground up, born from a single dream. A very special thank you to the owner of the YouTube channel, True Teach, for creating this wonderful video and allowing me to comment. If you enjoyed this narrative, please visit and support their channel at the link in the description below.